Alright, so it is May 5th. We are out at Noah's Ark Animal Sanctuary. Going to go see a couple animals. It's a little chilly. It's only like 65 degrees. That's why they have their coats on. With cases in there. Zipped up nice and tight. And we're just going through now. So we'll see how this goes. He's walking.
He's like, hi there, little girl. He likes you. Are goats. Miniature goats.
You need some food? They don't have food at this one.
I thought I will take it to the other one tomorrow.
Whoa, there's a water. What's that? What's that?
It's another goat.
Another goat?
He's cleaning. He's cleaning himself.
It's itchy.
He's a little itchy.
And then it's little mommy bear.
That's a little mommy bear?
Yeah.
That's a tiger though.
Some little mommy like it.
Yeah, the wolves did try to get Kristoff. So she loved Frozen, so she know what a wolf is. It is 2:30, which means Kason is probably ready to get his little meal. Got it. You're gonna look at the look. He likes you. He likes you. He's just looking at you. So the zoo. Well, it's not really a zoo. It's just a sanctuary, I guess. It's over there, but it's getting kind of windy and it's about to close. So Kason's in here hanging out. A little breezy in there. He's okay. But Sherelle's over there helping London go around all over the place. Probably be here for about another hour or so, maybe 45 minutes, get something to eat. Depends on what's happening. Yeah. They're over there doing what they do. So we're hanging out at the park, and a duck just decides he's just gonna stroll about. I don't know where he strolled from, but he's hanging out with us at the park now. That's the kids and the family, Kason, and a duck. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, we'll probably talk about it in another post, but we're in the NICU for about a week with Kason because of issues breathing. So he has all these fancy cables hooked up to him, a little smart monitor, and it's attached to this guy right down here. It monitors his breathing and all that wonderful stuff. Make sure that it doesn't stop breathing. It does it very loud if it does. But he's hooked up to that for about the next month at least. And every week we have to download it to the server so that his doctors can see what's happening, if he has apnea or whatnot. But yeah. Like I said, we'll talk about that in another post though. And look at the horses back there. It's a beautiful place. It's probably about 10 minutes from our house. Our old house, about 5 minutes from our old house, so it's really close. It's fully non-profit, so everything's free. You can donate if you like, but it's pretty cool. They have lions, tigers, bears, peacocks all over the place are strolling around. A bunch of ducks.
You can call me. You can call me, Daddy. You can call me.
I'm right here.
Which one?
Where you going now? You driving the car?
Yep, you're coming back? Alright, I want to get out of the way then. So
Hi, Lola. Where you going?
I see you.
Slows you right down.
So Sherelle has on sandals and she went down the slide with London earlier and has mulch all over the floor. And now she says she thinks she got a splinter on her foot. So we have to change out. And now I'm just keeping an eye on this kid. What are you doing?
I'm up there.
Where are you going?
I'm up there.
You are up there.
I'm up there.
But I think in this case you're supposed to say, I'm up here.
I'm up there.
Hey,
I don't want to see mommy.
which way are you going to go?
Mommy.
You want to see mommy?
Hey, I was going down. No, I'm going down. I was going.
We swinging.
Yeah.
You having fun?
Hmm?
You see the horses behind us?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Say nay.
Horses say what?
I say nay.
Nah.
I say nay.
Good. Alright, so we're about to go home soon because it's about to close. But we are riding the swings, but they don't have any little kids swings, so I tried to swing with her just by myself, but it didn't really work out too well, so we're just gonna swing together. You okay?
Yeah, no, I want to go in this ring.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Alright, we can work that out. Alright, so I'm strolling back with Kason back to the parking lot. I don't know if you can see Cheryl back there. She's that little lady with the pink jacket chasing a toddler. Pretty much London's not really happy that we're leaving. She didn't take a nap today, so she's not the most negotiable. I don't know if that's the right word. She's not the most pleasant person right now. And they're just random chickens and roosters running around me right now, which I don't know how I feel about. These guys are just running around me. That's something you don't see every day. So I think they're coming. Yep, they're coming. We're gonna go grab some pizza because with the time now, she can't take a nap. If she does take a nap, she's not gonna sleep tonight. And I'll tell you one thing, it's been miserable trying to put her to sleep and Kason to sleep, keep her asleep. Oh, true story happened. She peed the bed last night. Well, not her bed, but she peed through her diaper, and I was laying down in her bed with her. And I woke up this morning, I was like, why do I smell like pee? Maybe it's just in my mind. Sure enough, I pretty much slept in her pee for 3 hours and not even knew it because I was just so tired.
So this is what happens when Darren puts London to sleep. We have to clean sheets because there's pee everywhere. We have to wash London because there's pee everywhere.
So yeah, that's the type of life we're living now. And they're all the way back there still. She did good. She went down some big slides that I didn't think she was going to go down. I didn't think I was going to be that parent to be afraid of certain slides that watch her go down. But she took it like a champ. Kason's still here with us strolling. And about to load up and head home.
Okay, so we are eating some Old Charlie's.
No, Charlie.
Bread. And Jason, Darren. And we're here celebrating Kyra's. She has all A's, so there's all family. Let's see whose food is going to be right and whose food is going to be wrong. Anytime we all eat together, somebody's food is wrong. As long as mine is right, I'm good to go though. So, see you later.